Touareg sets new standards. Above all, its optional inner vision cockpit, with the Discover Premium at the centre. The 38cm display is snugly fitted within the dash panel, ergonomically tilted towards the driver, completely switchless and highly integrated. Touch, hold, select. Customizing the home screen is entirely intuitive. Operation is just as simple. Use one finger within a menu, use two fingers to go to the next menu level. Or with a gesture, to scroll through your albums, for example. The digital cockpit tailors itself individually to its drivers. It can be flexibly adjusted using these buttons. For example, the large map that can even be zoomed in. Keep an eye on everything even in the dark with optional night vision. Its thermal imaging camera can detect people and larger wild animals up to 130 meters ahead, displayed in the digital cockpit. The car flashes a warning in combination with LED matrix beam headlights. Additionally, the brakes are made ready for emergency braking. Everything in sight. The optional head-up display projects important information directly into the driver's field of vision. For example, the speed and identified road signs, but also warnings from the driver assistance systems, as well as navigation information. Without the driver taking his eyes off the road, the head-up display can enhance concentrated driving and increase driving comfort. As an SUV, the Touareg is at home on many surfaces, including off-road. Using the rotary switch or driving profile selection, the driver is able to create more space, up to 70 millimeters, thanks to air suspension. Two pressure reservoirs fill the springs and lift the vehicle body. Additionally, the regulated dampers switch to off-road. From 120 km per hour or in sport mode, the vehicle body is lowered by 15 millimeters. The dampers become firmer for optimum driving dynamics. The dynamic cornering does not cause the Touareg to lose its composure because its active roll stabilization noticeably reduces any sideways lean. The front and rear axles' divided anti-roll bars have two electromechanical actuators. They ensure that all four wheels keep optimum road contact. To achieve this, the system dynamically distributes the roll couple between front and rear axle for good driving dynamics. The Touareg takes tight corners nimbly. Thanks to four-wheel steering. Via track rods, an electric motor controls the steering on the rear axle, helpful for maneuvering at up to 37 km per hour. The wheels now turn up to 5 degrees in the opposite direction. In this way, the turning circle can be reduced by up to 1 meter. At high speed too, the four-wheel steering improves handling. Now the rear wheels steer in the same direction for increased stability and greater safety. Being an SUV, the Touareg is able to tow particularly heavy loads. At the push of a button, the tow bar moves into position fully automatically. It makes the Touareg a towing vehicle with a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons. Maneuvering with a trailer can take some learning, but doesn't have to. Thanks to Trailer Assist, Volkswagen's towing assistance system. Activate, set direction, and off you go. Trailer Assist takes care of steering, the driver of throttle, brake and gears. The rear view camera determines the tow bar's angle. Trailer Assist thus knows where it has to steer. Naturally, the driver can correct the direction at any time.